Several smartphones were known for having excellent cameras. However, technology evolves rapidly, and new models are released frequently, so I recommend checking the latest reviews and comparisons to find the best smartphone camera in 2023. Some brands that were well regarded for their camera quality in 2023 included Google Pixel series. Google's Pixel phones were known for their exceptional camera software and computational photography, which produced impressive results, especially in low light conditions. Apple iPhone. iPhones have consistently offered high-quality cameras with features like Smart HDR, Deep Fusion, and Night Mode. The iPhone 13 series, released in 2023, was known for its camera improvements. Samsung Galaxy series. Samsung Galaxy S21 and Note 20 series phones had impressive camera systems, with a focus on versatility and high-resolution sensors. Huawei P series. Huawei's P series phones were known for their Leica-engineered camera systems, offering great photography capabilities, although access to Google services may be limited in some regions. Sony Xperia series. Sony Xperia phones often feature camera technology derived from their digital cameras, making them a solid choice for photography enthusiasts. OnePlus. OnePlus phones had been praised for their camera performance, especially in well-lit conditions. They often partnered with camera experts like Hasselblad to improve their camera systems. Xiaomi Mi series. Xiaomi's Mi phones, particularly the Mi 11 and Mi 11 Ultra, had strong camera setups, offering high-resolution sensors and versatile shooting modes. Keep in mind that camera performance can vary within a brand's lineup, so it's essential to research specific models and their camera features and capabilities. Additionally, camera preferences can be subjective, so what works best for one person may not be the same for another. Consider your photography needs and priorities, such as low light performance, zoom capabilities, and video recording, when choosing a smartphone with the best camera for your use case. To more information, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.